Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the color cast so you know what to correct. Open the photo and duplicate the background layer to preserve the original. Use the eyedropper to sample a neutral area and watch the RGB readout. If channels differ, you have a cast. Once done, open Camera Raw Filter for precise temp/tint adjustments, because correcting white balance at the source avoids destructive color shifts later. Make sure to zoom in and verify neutral tones across highlights and midtones. Next, you perform the core correction with purposeful moves. Begin with temp and tint in Camera Raw or color balance to neutralize the dominant cast. Small increments work best. Then switch to curves. Select the red, green, and blue channels and nudge midtones to align neutrals without crushing contrast. Once done, apply a color blend mode layer or mask areas like skin separately so corrections don't alter luminance. Make sure to toggle the correction on and off to check overall balance as you refine. Finally, you lock in the fix and verify output. Use selective color or hue/saturation for targeted adjustments on problem hues, and lower saturation if color looks exaggerated. To neutralize stubborn casts, try Match Color's Neutralize checkbox or add a 50% gray layer set to color with reduced opacity for subtle correction. Once done, convert to the output profile and preview. If a cast persists, resample neutral points and check your monitor profile, because calibration issues can mimic photo color casts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.